So we're gonna make lemon curd. Lemon curd requires a double boiler. I don't have a double boiler. I do have 2 Dutch ovens. So got 1 Dutch oven to hold the water and the other one will hold the lemon curd. The lemon curd is 1 egg and 2 egg yolks, 2/3 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 3 lemons worth of lemon juice, and we will whisk that all up in the double boiler. The lemon curd was going for about 20 minutes, pretty hard. And I think that it is a consistency that I like. It'll probably thicken up as it cools as well. So let's get this off of the heat. Now that it's nice and thickish, I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of butter. They've been cut into small sizes there. That looks awesome. How does it taste? Woo! That is like a punch in the mouth. Wow, that is sour and sweet and delicious. This cake is going to be amazing. As the lemon curd cools down, I don't want it to form that thick skin on it like pudding does. I'm going to wrap it in plastic wrap and make sure the plastic wrap touches the lemon curd.